Shower cream. Buddy, look at that king.
There's a dragon in my castle.
What's that? That sounds like a king.
There's a dragon in the castle.
You're kidding. There's been a castle behind us for 8 years. He's gonna
Somebody help me. He's gonna take my treasure.
Okay, let's go save him. So long that walk. I feel like I walked 1 mile already. Yoga! My name is Yoga. Yes. I am out of breath. Do I have any water? Does anyone have water?
I have water in the castle. Come save me, you fools.
I'm coming, you stupid king! I passed out. Oh, it took an hour. I am so... I have to go pee so bad. I can't hold it in. I think I might be in my pants.
With some butt pictures.
Ow! I think I might be in my pants. I gotta go. Go to the bathroom.
I gotta go pee on the pictures.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That feels way better. What's that noise? What's that noise over there? Wow. Oh my God. Ow! Oh, I think I have to go pee again. I gotta kill you! Chug! On your eye, stupid dragon! Oh crap, Fish! You're dead! I got you! Shoot! Now shoot, go! Now you're gonna be dead. First, now we gotta go poop and pee. Bye!
Oh, thank you so much for saving me.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, King Dorphin.
I don't know what I would have done without you. Please, is there any way I could repay you?
Treasure chest!
Well, help yourself to any treasure you need.
Thank you so much! Oh, thank
Help
you.
yourself to any treasure.
I'm going.
Just be careful, the lid's a little loose. It might hit you on the head. Watch out for that lid. It might knock you unconscious.
I got money. Money! Oh, look at that. 2 pennies. Actually, a 3 penny. No, 4. No, 5. No, 6. No, 7 pennies. And 1 quarter. That will be 25 cents. And look at my pink belly. I'm like a pig. Ha ha ha.
Nah.